In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix cannot download files on Google Drive. If your Google Drive downloads get stuck, fail without a message, or simply won't start, the issue is often your browser's configuration or an extension getting in the way. The fix we're walking through resets your browser settings to their original defaults, which clears out problematic tweaks while keeping your important data intact. Start by opening Google Drive and going to My Drive so you have it ready. Now look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. Click that menu to open your browser options. From there, scroll down until you see Settings and click it to open the full settings page. Inside Settings, glance at the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find the section labeled Reset Settings. This section is designed to quickly undo changes that might be causing unusual behavior. Go ahead and select it. You'll see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click that and then confirm by choosing Reset Settings. Here's what this does and what it doesn't do, so you know exactly what to expect. Restoring settings resets things like your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It also disables your extensions and clears temporary data such as cookies and other site data that can interfere with downloads. It does not delete your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. Afterward, you can re-enable any extensions you trust one by one, but starting with them disabled helps pinpoint whether one of them was blocking Drive downloads. The reset only takes a moment. When it's done, your browser will feel fresh and a bit cleaner. That's the goal. Remove conflicts, corrupted cache, or odd settings that can stop files from downloading properly from Google Drive. With the reset complete, return to your My Drive tab and continue working as normal. You should find that downloads behave the way they're supposed to. If the labels look slightly different in your browser, don't worry. You're still looking for the main settings area and the reset settings section in the left sidebar, then the restore settings to their original defaults button, followed by the final reset settings confirmation. Those are the exact actions that resolve most Drive download issues caused by the browser itself. And that's it. Open My Drive, use the three-dot menu to reach settings, head to Reset Settings on the left, choose Restore Settings to their original defaults, and confirm with Reset Settings. Simple, safe, and effective.